Hi, this is John, and I'm here with another video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about this VICTOOL. This VICTOOL is a handle for an action camera. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So you can use this handle for any camera that can be attached to this that's appropriate in size for it. So what's in the bag is a wrench and a spare lanyard. So this is the wrench and this is the spare lanyard. And one of the good features about this is a couple of good features. It has a very strong lanyard itself that's adjustable and lockable with this clip there. And this back part opens up like that. So you can actually put a lot of things in here, like the wrench, you just keep it in there, the spare lanyard, you know, whatever you want. You could put a key in here, some money, you know, spare batteries, and just close it up. And it has two gaskets, one on the bottom and one on the top here, which is good. Just make it more waterproof. And you just simply, it tightens down and it doesn't close anymore. And now you have a waterproof device that you can keep some things in there, and you have a handle with a nice rubber grip, so you can go in the water with, and it technically won't slip out of your hand. And together with the lanyard, your gear will be secure. And that's the whole point of having a lanyard and a rubber grip like this in the water, especially like if you're in the ocean. You know, salt water tends to be slippery. So this has two functions. This has a sort of like a tripod mount screw on the end of there, so you can put a camera like this on. So all you need to do is just take the camera and just put it on tight, and there you go. So I would turn the camera on, and you could go in the water, in fresh water, salt water. You can just use this walking around. You'll have an extra reach with this, which is good. You can turn it and then take, you know, pretty cool selfies with this, like that, which is pretty awesome. So you could use this type of a camera in case you don't have like a GoPro like this. So I'm gonna take this off. So I'm gonna have here the regular GoPro screw, and it tightens in pretty good. So that you could just pop that off. And now I want to attach the GoPro. So I mean, like if you were, you're not gonna vlog underwater. But if you were vlogging with this outside, you can have a mic on here. You can have this all rigged out and hold it like this and walk around and vlog. You could also put it in selfie mode this way. You could have a mic on here to give you better sound, or you can have, you know, you could be mic'd up like that. And now naturally, if you're gonna go in the water, you're not gonna have this metal case. You know, you don't want all that extra weight, you know, weighing it down. So you would have, since the GoPro Hero 5 is waterproof, you know, you would just need the outer casing and connect it, just like that, and you're good to go. So, you know, a handle like this for when you go out into the ocean is definitely recommendable. You wouldn't want to go in the water, you know, without it, because, you know, one, you would be pretty uncomfortable, and you're not gonna really zoom in and out in the water. You're gonna technically leave it on wide and just shoot whatever you can because of the murkiness. So the more you zoom in, you're gonna get a lower quality image because this is probably like a digital zoom anyway. And so is the GoPro. It's not like you have a lens on here that's gonna zoom in and out. So the more digital zoom you get, the less quality you're gonna get. So when you're underwater, you want the best quality you can get, and that would be in the wide position. So you wouldn't want to really go around like that. So if you're gonna do video, you can find this on Amazon. You can click on the link and it'll take you right to the page where you can find this. And I just want to thank everybody for the new supporters, the new subscribers, all the likes and comments we've been getting, and everyone's support is very appreciated and thankful. And I want to just say peace out and enjoy your new tool for better shooting.